Hello, we will be conducting a standard product demo for Kai focused on product classification. As part of the session, we'll cover both the Kai standalone application and the embedded Kai application integrated with SAP GTS. What you see on the screen is the landing page of Kai standalone tool. During this demo, we'll walk you through the health check report app and the classification app. When you click on health check report app, you are directed to a screen where users select the relevant model from a drop-down menu. Once the model is selected, the users can upload a file. Hit on the cup. This generates the health check report. This report essentially analyzes the existing product classification and compares them with the classification prediction generated by Kai. As shown on the screen, the match column highlights any deviations between the current classification and Kai predictions. In addition to the primary prediction, along with the confidence, Kai also provides alternative classification predictions, that is prediction 2, prediction 3, along with their corresponding confidence percentage as well. What you see on the screen is the prediction matching up against the actual value over here. The users have the ability to download the result files that are embedded applications available for due diligence. There are also embedded analytical tools or apps available for graphical data visualization. That's on the health check report. Moving on to the classification app, the users begin by selecting the model ID and uploading a file that contains the list of products to be classified. Similar to the health check feature, the system provides a main classification prediction along with its confidence percentage. And then there are alternative predictions as well. The results can be downloaded and subsequently uploaded into the trade compliance solution that the user may be leveraging for their day-to-day compliance activities. Beyond classification capabilities, Kai also includes a Kai Assistant chatbot, which can be used to gather additional product information. So, you see over here, I'll just as a reference, I'll select on screen. And this opens a list of questionnaire. Now, once we fill in the questionnaire, this can be submitted to Kai for generating more accurate product classification as well. That ends the demo on the Kai standalone app. The next section of this demo focuses on Kai integration with SAP GTS. What you see on your screen now is the SAP GTS Fiori landing page. ArchLynk has developed a dedicated Fiori app that navigates user to customize Fiori user menu. The menu on the right-hand side is designed for the IT team, enabling them to manage system parameters as well as model training and retraining activities. The menu on the left are intended for trade compliance team. The process begins by selecting initial mask classification replicate or product replicate option over here. to select the model ID. Detail product number. And hit on import selected product. So this option essentially enables the user to take control over what products they want to transfer over to GTS, or sorry, rather Kai, and what they want to leave it in GTS. Users, they do have an option to save these selection as variants for future use. See over here, I'll select one for myself, comes automatically. The screens and the pop-ups are designed to align with the standard SAP GTS user experience, ensuring a seamless interface for the trade compliance team. Upon execution, the system displays either a success or failure notification, allowing users to take appropriate follow-on action. The entire process can be automated, eliminating the need for manual execution at each step. Once the product are transferred to Kai server, the users can access the product work list and enter the necessary input criteria. Again, similar to the last process, we'll just get a variant from here. The users can also manually key in the information that they are looking to see on the Kai work list. But for the purpose of this demo, I've saved it everything under a variant, and that's what I'm going to execute now. This is the Kai work list that appears when we hit on execute on the previous screen, displaying the products that were transferred along with their associated information and classifications prediction. So what you see over here is the legal regulations for which they were transferred, the prediction classification, the existing classification in the product master, the confidence percentage of each of these predictions, and the product attributes that's being leveraged for training the models. The users, they can review the suggested classification and either choose to accept, reject, or modify it based on their analysis. There's also an option to add classification comment from audit customs audit perspective, and there's an audit report that talks about what all products have been classified, what failed the classification, or what classifications were rejected, what classifications were modified as well. This concludes the Kai demo. Now, thank you.